Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're talking about what happens when there's a government shutdown, when there's mayhem in the streets. There is correlation for investors. So this is a Friday, a financial Friday. Lots of things happen on a Friday for investors if you're paying attention. We're going to talk about it courtesy of Mr. Dividend sending over this article. And it helps everybody. And welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, please share the videos because you never know who's looking for information or does not know the information is there that can help you improve your financial status. Also, reminder, this video, what happens when there's government shutdown, equals the same thing of what happens when the economy or investments are in free fall. People tend to do the same thing, put their money in safe havens so they don't lose. That's why you have to be the CEO of your life. Let's start it off at the Stop Struggling Now YouTube podcast channel page where we just now got remonetized. That's why there's a join button where you become a member of the channel. Also, don't forget the subscribe button and click the all notification bell. And if any of these other videos meet your criteria on what you may want to watch, please do so. Now, let's get into it, shall we? This is what happens when there is government shutdown. Investors dump U.S. assets overnight in favor of safe havens, gold, Bitcoin back in the 120s, gold reaching above 3,900 in the last few days, and foreign stocks that you may want to go and invest in other countries that used to be called emerging economies. And again, no reports released, such as jobs reports, such as manufacturing jobs reports, anything else which makes people think about their investments. This is one of the reasons. I will have a link down below to this article, and you can listen to it nowadays. The S&P futures and dollar dropped in the middle of the night. The dollar value is important. That's the hidden inflation that you can't see when your dollar drops in value and you are going out to buy goods, services, or anything. That means it costs you more, but it's hidden because you can't see it. Therefore, it's dangerous for you. Remember, what do we have going on here in the SSN Nation? Remember, 1 year. 2 months is what you have to get your debt in order for the 775 credit score, to get assets that pay you, passive income, dividend funds, and a little bit of gold, silver, precious metals, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Cup of coffee a day, as Post-Retirement Travel says on our live streams. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, these are the type of things that you need to pay attention to. And this article, again, down below in the description box, because I'm not going to go through all of it. But here is the magnificent number. There have been about 20 shutdowns since 1976. And is that the Bureau of Labor Statistics won't be publishing the upcoming jobless claims report or the consumer price index. This means investors will be in the dark for a while and explains why S&P futures are down 0.55% prior to the opening bell in New York. Now, this is October 1st, of course. But here's the most important thing. The U.S. dollar sank this morning but quickly regained most of its losses. It remains down by just under 10% for the year on the DXY currency exchange. That's right, you can always go to the DXY and find out how far down we are. But here it is. Morning gold spiked to $3,913.70 per ounce, and Bitcoin rose by 2%. Now remember, this is October 1st. Now on October 3rd, Bitcoin is up to over 120,000. Those safe havens, ladies and gentlemen. So just keep that in mind. And here's Deutsche Bank warning clients this morning that we might see what we see it. Let me start over. We thought we might see it released as the states compile the data. The BLS produced a CPI report on October 15th too. So if we're shut down for long, that could be affected as well. Again, a shutdown is meaning the government is not functioning properly. But here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Snapshot of markets ahead of opening bell in New York this morning. Of course, they're going across. But again, this is how you make investments and you determine what you need to do in the future and today. But remember, investments are a long-term goal, not short-term. So this is just short-term that allows you to plan now and today. So I just want to make this short video because, you know, we're busy here, ladies and gentlemen. And I just want to let you know the Forex trading is being honed. So some of you who have decided to purchase the bot, congratulations on you. If you don't know what I'm referring to, there will be a link down below to the Forex trading information that you can go check out further. And with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. Every day there's a different turn of events. And the one turn of event that does matter the most is you are losing buying power because of inflation, because of tariffs, because of the dollar losing value. If you are in the United States, hidden taxes are coming for you. And you need to be prepared. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.